Hey guys, in this makeup tutorial, I'll be doing a neutral, dark teal, smoky eye. The pop of, I would say it's more of a rose gold, honestly. It looked more of a copper in the palette, but it kind of looks like a rose gold color. Didn't use too many eyeshadows. I did use the Rude Cosmetics, the Rude Awakening 35 eyeshadow palette. Y'all know this is my favorite neutral palette at the moment. My very favorite. I can't say enough great things about this palette. But I do have a review link below in case you want my full, unbiased review. It'll be down in the information box. If you guys would like to see how I achieved this look, keep watching. Taking my Too Faced Shadow Insurance first. Taking a second base. This is Bernardus Cream Color and Turquoise, just because I want the color to stand out a little more. Taking my finger. This is just going on my eyelid. I'm taking my Rude Cosmetics, the Rude Awakening 35 eyeshadow palette. And I'm taking this, it's kind of like a grayish, like a gray color, like a really ashy gray color. I'm taking the second row, second color, this color here. This is going in the crease. And it's very neutral, so don't expect it to be super intense. This whole palette is neutral, natural, I should say that. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brow highlight while I'm at it. Taking the top left color here. Taking this matte, dark, teal looking color. It's on the fourth row, the last color on that row, this color here. Taking a flat brush. This is going on the entire lid. Bringing it up too. And as you can see, there's no issue with blending with these colors. I'm actually going to take a more favorite brush now. I'm going in with that teal just into the crease because I want to darken it up a little. I'm not going super high up. I changed my mind. I'm just blending upwards a little. And then going back in with that fluffier brush just to make sure there's no harsh lines. For the inner corner, I'm going on the sixth row and I'm taking this shimmery copper brown looking color. This here is in the middle. It's almost at the bottom, but it's in the middle. I'm taking this in the inner corner and blending it a little over just so there's no harsh lines. And I'm also going on the inner corner on the lower lash line slightly. I'm gonna take this blue from Marc Jacobs called Overnight. It's an eyeliner. This is going on the waterline and lower lash line. I'm smoking it out now. That same green I used above. The teal, this darker color here. I'm done with eyeshadow now. I'm gonna take my usual Epic ink liner from NYX. Taking Feline Cold Power. I'm just tight lining with this, just because I don't want any gaps. Gonna do some mascara just to the top. This is Urban Decay Troublemaker. Throwing some lashes onto the top. This is from Amazon. These are some synthetic faux mink lashes. Taking some concealer. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Chocolate. And I'm putting this everywhere. That needs extra coverage. I'm just blending this out with a concealer brush. This is just a Morphe M334. Now I'm taking the highlighting concealer that I use, ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 40. Just a little more brightening than the previous. The previous is more like a skin tone concealer. But for under my eyes, I don't want skin tone, I want it brightened. So on this one, I don't use the other one. And I'm gonna use the exact same brush. It's gonna help the color blend well under there. Gonna go ahead and set it with some NYX HD Finishing Powder. Actually, let me do my foundation first. Bare Minerals Made to Fit Fresh Face Liquid Foundation. Take a couple pumps of that. This is an e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. Now I'm gonna go in with some NYX HD Finishing Powder just to set everything into place. This is Joss just an e.l.f. complexion brush. I'm focusing mainly underneath my eyes because that's where I tend to get creasing. Actually, that might be the only place I focus because I don't like a matte finish too much. I am setting it in around my mouth because I do have extra coverage around there. I don't want that to move. And then taking whatever's left on the brush, but I'm not making any extra effort to like add more product. For highlighter, I'm just taking this one from Urban Decay. Actually, no, I'm using my NARS highlighting palette. And I'm using here. It's not as brightening or as highlighting as I would like, but taking a lot, as always. I do like a super highlight face. I think it's good. For blush, I'm going to take this one from ColourPop. This is called Fresh and Peachy. It came in the Peach collection. Baby Got Peach. Looks like this. Taking a blush brush. MAC 116. For lips, I'm going to take something along the same color theme as the rest of my face. Actually, I'm going to go in something bright. It's a bright gloss, so it's not going to be super intense. This is the NARS lip gloss on Sexual Content. Sexual Content. It's like a bright coral. I think that would look great for copper. I hope you all enjoyed this makeup look using the Rude Cosmetics, the Rude Awakening palette. As y'all know, I love this palette. Talked about it already. I've done a review, which will be linked up above and also in the information box in case you missed it. Sorry for the noise. It's a really nice palette. You can do a variety of looks with it. Smoky looks, neutral smoky, whatever you want. And it has the perfect amount of color in here. That's also neutral. So if you're one of those people who want to experiment with color, but you don't want an extremely bright in your face look, this is a palette for you. Very easy to blend the colors together. So if you struggle with blending, I highly recommend this palette because the colors blend so well together. Rate the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss anything I upload in the future. Yeah, talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.